Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTracker.com, and today we're going to do a product review on the RST Pro Series CE race boots. Okay, Pro Series race boot from RST. $259.99 is the retail on this boot, which is super affordable. Once again, RST brings a product to market that has a retail price that is far lower than I would expect, especially after wearing the product, trying the product on, and inspecting it. What are we selling the boot for? Well, you got to visit the website to see what we're actually selling it for. The price I gave you was the retail, and that in itself is super affordable. Who is this boot right for? This boot is right for any sport bike rider that's looking for a boot that offers a lot of value, number one, high level of protection, excellent comfort, and good quality. You could race and ride racetrack in this boot at basically any level of road racing. You're going to have good amounts of feel, comfort, and protection built into it. Yes, even at that $259 price point. Features, benefits, things that I really like about the boot. Replaceable alloy toe slider. Ankle protection. Fore and aft, you can see it's got the hinge built in too. I've had these on, moved around in them, and it does have a good amount of lateral ankle stability. Are some of the super high-end $400-500 boots perhaps a little more stable, tighter in that region, offer a tickle, higher quality? Absolutely. I mean, you have to be realistic once again with your expectations. With that said, when I look at this boot and I handle this boot, myself, I would say the retail should probably be well north of $300, probably in that $350 range, and it's just simply not. And once again, we sell it under the retail price as well. Lots of perf here. That's awesome for riding on the track. Lots of cooling built in. Gear shift pad, they do it on both sides of the boot just to keep it nice and symmetrical. You have a reinforced toe box for crush protection, microfiber upper for abrasion resistance. There is a padded shin plate here, so lots of impact protection here in the shin plate, something you need to have in a road race boot. Heel cup. There's a motion bellow back here. Entry and exit is managed with Velcro and a zipper, high quality zip. There is also an expansion panel right here at the ankle, so as you pull over the ankle, instead of really stressing that zipper, that panel can expand a little bit and then retract once you pass over it. 3D mesh liner on the inside, lots of padding and comfort around. Let's talk about sizing. That's really key with any footwear. That 12 US shoe that I wear, and I'd say my feet are probably just a little over average width. These boots, for me, ran true to size. A size 46 Euro, they equate to a 12 US or an 11 UK. So 12 US is the exact shoe size I wear. The width was good for me. These felt good and comfortable right out of the box. I would say that this boot is wider than what you would expect from a CD boot. If you've owned CDs before, tried them on before, you can use that as a bit of a width benchmark. Also included with the Pro Series boots that we opened, and I don't know if these are in every single box. I looked through the stock that we have here, and it looked like it was in all of them. So there is an extra set of liners, footbed liners that come with the boots themselves. I suppose you could use these, and they looked a little thinner than the one that was in there. I took them out and kind of compared them, so you could use them maybe to dial in the fit. Let's say if they're just a little bit too big, right? Not enough that you could go down a full size, but you need to pull some of that volume up. You could slide those in there with the other one that's in there and use them to take the volume up. I'm not 100% sure these are coming in every single package, right? We're pretty new to the line with the boots that I did go through in the Pro Series, did have those in there. All in all, what do I think of these boots? Comfortable fit. All the stitching, I mean, if you want to zoom in, Steve, it's just really tidy. They did a great job on it. It looks exactly like everything else I've seen from them. I'm impressed. If you're operating on a budget and this pair of boots is within your budget, you're going to be hard-pressed to find a better pair of boots selling for the same price. As a matter of fact, I'm not sure that you actually can. I'm Brian Van. These are the RST Pro Series CE certified race boots.